Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday. I was working in the backyard. I got lots done. I can't wait to show you guys. And I was thinking I need something from Home Depot. I should come. And then Maxy over here was kind of whimpering and following me around. And in the past, many times she's gotten in my car and I had to pull her out because she can't go with me. And I know Home Depot is well known for allowing to bring your dogs. This is what, she's been with me almost 8 years. No, yes, almost 8 years. And I've never taken her out to Home Depot. We took her out to, the beach and stuff like that, and to parks, but not to stores, only because I don't like to make people feel uncomfortable. But Home Depot is known for allowing for you guys to bring your pets. And I called just to make sure, and they said, yeah, she can come. So because I'm not going anywhere else, I'm just coming to Home Depot and then straight home, I thought I would bring her, and I know that she's gonna enjoy it. She loves people. So let's go see. Look at her. She already sees people. It's probably not gonna be my best video because I'll be concerned about Maxy, just having control of her and not making sure she doesn't make anyone feel uncomfortable. So yeah, I'll try. If there's nobody around me, I'll show you guys if I see any succulents. I am coming through the garden center first, but just to make sure nobody's around me before I start recording, because I just want to make sure I pay attention to Maxy. Yes. So we're good to record. Look at these. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Let's see. This is an Echeverria Afterglow. Oh, I don't have one. Guys, I don't have one of these. I should totally add one to my collection. Look at how big that one is. Now the decision is, do I get a big one or a small one? I don't know. It rained last night and then it dropped. The temperature dropped, so it's been pretty cool all day. It's been in the 60s all day. When I woke up, it was in the 50s. But look at it, Afterglow. I really like how perky this one looks. And Maxy is going to be whimpering because she smells so many different smells. She wants to just be able to roam free, and she can't. So yeah. Anyways, beautiful. Afterglow. Echeverria Dusty Rose. And then Echeverria... this is the Pro Newtonburg, the big one. And then this one is different. This one is... And I know I don't have this one. Where is it? Hold on. Blue Galaxy. I don't have that one, but I would get it if it was in a smaller pot, because I believe the 13. Is this the $13 one? Let's see. No, this is $10 one. But they have some that are supposed to be like $7.98. So yeah. So this is I did not expect to find so many nice plants. We have the Neon Breakers. This one is a Giant Blue, Echeverria Giant Blue. Let's see. Here we have some Echeverria Lilac Mist right here. I think I'm gonna get an Afterglow. I definitely am. I just don't know which one to choose. This one looks good. They're not perfect. Some of them are just huge, and I don't really want a big one. This one looks good too. I think I'm gonna take this one, guys. Super pretty. It's so good to find something that you don't already have. So let's go take a look over here. Here's a smaller one. I think, is this Giant Blue? No, this is First Lady. So similar to the other one. First Lady. Come on, Max. Let's see. See, people will see Maxy and be scared. So I just don't want people to be scared of her. What is this? Let's see. What is this? No name. There should be a name though, right here. Graptopendrum Peach. Look at those colors. Super, super nice. Super nice. Look, some aeoniums. They look okay. I don't know. I stuck with the aeoniums. You can't say hi to everybody. Stop it. So that's that. Let's go over here. Some sedum. Let's go look at the box over there. It's very challenging with Maxy because I have her leash around me. So these look fairly new as well. They look really nice. They don't have water damage, sun damage. They look very fresh. So that's really nice. Guys, you just need to ask your Home Depot, when do you get your shipments in? And then, yeah, you can get them as soon as they come off the truck. Look at these. These are so pretty. These are pretty. I think these are a Kalanchoe. They're in the Kalanchoe family. It does not say, but yeah. I'm getting better, guys. I know my voice is still a little raspy, but I'm getting better. But let me pull my cart this way. Hold on, Maxy's gonna smell. Some small ones. They look fairly new as well. Just came in. And now I'm just gonna head on over to the other side. Guys, look at this price. This is the same size that you saw over there that was $13. This is the same size. It's either First Lady or Giant Blue. It's hard to tell, but it is $8.98. So that is a good price compared to the other one. So you can find decent sized plants with this. What is this called? It's from Costa Farms. It's Desert Escape, the brand Desert Escape. So yeah, look at those pretty agaves. Those are nice over there. I like those agaves. Those are nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go to where the I need a cylinder blocks. That's what I needed, and maybe to see if they have any wood that they're gonna throw out that I can keep. Hey guys, so I'm back. All I got was the Echeverria Afterglow, beautiful, and I only ended up getting 4 cylinder blocks. They didn't have discounted wood. Many times when people go in there and they cut wood, the leftover wood is left behind, and they discount it 75% off, and that's the wood I like to use to make those planters, like the step planters. But anyways, so I just wanted to tell you guys that I appreciate you guys. Lots of love to you guys. So much love. I love your kind comments. I love that you take time to watch my videos and comment too. I appreciate it so much. I'm not the best at, I'll write back, but my answers back, my comments back are very simple. I like to talk like in person. I'm not like one like to write a book or anything like that. But anyways, I have been working in the backyard with my succulents, and I've been collecting tons of leaves, succulent leaves, and I'm so sorry that I cannot label them. Maybe some I will just by looking at them, but many I won't just because I'm throwing them all in a bin or in a container, so they get mixed. But I decided, because this is my month, so this month, January, is my birthday. My daughter was born on my birthday, and then I got married the day after my birthday. So I decided that I would randomly pick videos, just pick random videos and put them on here on the random comment picker, and choose a winner to send them a good amount of leaves to propagate. And so yeah, I hope you guys like this idea. It's free to you guys, and I'm just sharing my my succulents with you, and I'll try to do it as often as I can. Hopefully I remember. And I was gonna say something else. I can't remember what it was. Yeah, it'll be very at random. I'll just pick a video, and then also, so sorry, it has to be in the US, and I'm sorry if it's cold. If you win and it's cold, we'll just take a chance and send it, and just cross your fingers and hope that they grow. So I've put the link here to my video that I made in the backyard. It was a tour, I think. This is the tour. Oh yeah, it's a Succulent Garden New Year update, that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit here YouTube comments. And what it does, it filters my comments, and then it filters if somebody like replied. Like if I replied to someone's comment and then they replied back, it filters that. So it will only choose one comment per person. Okay, guys, let's see who the winner is. And the winner is Deborah. Deborah, if you are in the U.S., please message me. Well, I'm going to message you anyways in your comment. I'm going to give you my email. And then just message me back your address so that I can send out some leaves to you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed one. Bye, guys.